I've received from YouTube another package, so let's unbox it and see what is inside. Nice official YouTube box. And first thing is this paper. YouTube, and inside there were two items. Let's start with this box. It's YouTube, Google, official merch. So what can be inside of this box? It is well protected something, so sounds interesting. So what can it be? Wow! I didn't expect it something like this. You have a snow globe with a YouTube inside. Quite heavy and solid. Made in China, but interesting present from YouTube. Very cool Christmas present. And the second one is more visible without unboxing, but let's open it. YouTube Christmas sweater. I have to put it on. Here is a YouTube Christmas sweater. And at the back, here is also YouTube. So nice, interesting gifts from YouTube for the Christmas. And that's all for today. Like, subscribe, and be nice.